Ethereum price broke out a descending channel. What's next for old Ethereum? Let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. This is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now we're going to talk about Ethereum and what direction could it go. Now it was trading at 1340 around that mark. It could still be at the recording of this video, but look at this. The immediate and strong resistance remain around the 1400. The altcoin has struggled to break out or break past the level over the last couple of weeks, which is very true. Once the 1400 mark is broken, Ethereum can attempt to trade close to 1300 to 1700. On the other hand, a fall from 1340 price mark will push Ethereum down to 1100 and then to the 1000 level. Now this is a little bit of a technical analysis that was done from here that I got from, and I do agree with this because I think Ethereum can go up and come down. I think it can really go up because it broke out the descending channel. Let's see what happens in the next couple of days, or it can fall back based off, the resistance that it may come through the next couple of days or even the next couple of weeks. The past trading session for Ethereum was green and it increased a number of buyers. Look at the number of buyers that's been happening here. People are ready for Ethereum to make a move, and if it does make a move up, people are gonna buy. If it make a move down, I still think people will buy anyway. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.